So for dinner tonight, I have some leftover Spanish rice that I want to use up. I've got some pigeon peas, got some broccoli I just pulled out the freezer, and then I had some ham I had cooked and I froze it because I knew we weren't going to finish it. So I think I'm going to just put all this together. I had this rice, I didn't want it to go to waste, so I'm trying to find a way to use it up. I drained and rinsed my pigeon peas. I'm just going to take some of this rice to warm it up again. There are 4 of us tonight, so I think this should be more than enough, actually. I'm just gonna put all the peas in there because we're just mix it all up. I'm gonna get this warmed up too. So I got the ham diced up. I was gonna put this in the microwave. I decided to fry it up on the pan.
It expires on December 6th.
Okay, so it's not expired yet. You still have time till December. So I got a bigger bowl to cook this in so I can get all the ham and stuff all mixed in. Yeah, we're having rice and peas and stuff. Just getting this all mixed up. I'm frying up the ham to give it a little more flavor. And then I'm just going to warm up the broccoli in the microwave. My ham is frying up nicely. I just want to get some caramelization on it. My ham is looking pretty good. I think I don't want it to burn, so I think I'm going to take it off now and mix it in with my rice. Whoa. Lost some of it to the stove because I dropped it. It was so hot. All right, my broccoli just finished. I'm just gonna mix this all in, just like this. And this is our dinner. My mom makes this and I really like it, so I said, oh, I can just make a quick little one today. So I'm gonna get the broccoli out. This is our dinner tonight. It looks so good. I'm just gonna plate some up. It's just a really simple dinner. Broccoli's still kind of frozen, some parts. Let me see. Just gonna serve it with some broccoli, and that's dinner. Just something quick. I didn't want to start anything new because I'm doing some spring cleaning. I've got like I'm going through Tupperware and kitchen cabinets, so I just needed something quick with what I already had on hand. So this is dinner. Let me know if you've had something like this or you tried it.